Don't miss this review. Our tattoo machine is really cool. Today in my video review is one of the latest innovations in the global permanent makeup market. This is maneuverable Fenix S Pro from Defenderr company. It's wireless pen with an ideal center of gravity and weight ratio. Hi guys, this is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now, subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. The Defenderr company informed that all equipment designed in the USA and is focused to the global market in Europe, CIS and the USA. The Defenderr already presented different tattoo machines, pigments, cartridges and power supplies. We are definitely going to talk about the packaging. A classic Defenderr box in white and red with the Defenderr name and logo, as well as the name of our tattoo machine, Fenix S Pro. There is serial number and sticker with color of my pen. Inside, information about warranty and technical characteristics in English, spare O-rings, wireless battery, the box with a charging cable for wireless battery without adapter and RCA clip cords. Fenix S Pro. Included is our tattoo machine with an RCA connector if you decide to work from a socket. Length with an RCA connector is 104 mm. I suggest changing it to a wireless battery. Length with wireless battery is 134 mm. A very nice made surface of a body with the name our tattoo machine, Fenix S Pro. There is a ring on the body of the pen for changing the stroke of the needle stroke. Of course, I'm going to talk about this further. The first impression is lightweight. Let's talk about specifications Fenix S Pro. I always start with the machine weight. We cannot do without our scales. With an RCA connector, the machine weight is 109 grams. With a wireless battery is 148 grams. The form factor and dimensions is very convenient. Excellent ratio of the weight, length and narrow grip. No windage. My hands is very comfortably. I work with it on eyelids, eyebrows and lips. It's very maneuverable and gives good stable, I would say confident hatching. Pen has 4 colors: black, pink, dark gray and light gray. Price is about $300. It's now fall 2024. Operating voltage is from 5 to 12 volts. You can work with permanent makeup and mini tattoo. This power allows you work with different techniques and skin. Simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold the middle button 2-3 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. Fenix S Pro turn on with jump start function. The jump start helps to run your tattoo equipment and low voltages even with a hard cartridge membrane. Listen. Listen again. On the screen, you'll see information about the charge, operating voltage, and the timer that records the operating time of the equipment. The buttons on the left and right change the working voltage. Also, we are seeing picture of lips on the screen. What is that? This is memory mode for your chosen voltage. For example, you will work on the lips, eyelids and eyebrows. For each image, you can choose your own operating voltage and very quickly switch the operating voltage for each technique and job. I'm going to show. For lips, I choose 5 volts, for example. I'm pressing the middle button 2 times. For eyebrows, 6. And for eyelids, 5.5, for example. I'm pressing the middle button 2 times again and change the operating voltage. Also, Fenix S Pro has an interesting function SMP mode. It's designed for trichopigmentation work on the scalp. We are holding down the plus and the central button. Here on the screen is starting flashing. Adjustable settings from 0 to 999 Hz. Using the voltage adjustment buttons, we increase or decrease the frequency of needle strikes. We are holding down the plus and central button again, and we are excited from setting mode. If you decide to come back in normal mode, you need to choose 0 Hz. I'm going to show. I'm holding central button with plus. Here is flashing. The wireless battery provides 8–12 hours your work. It depends on your operating voltage that you use while working. Changing battery to an RCA connector is effortless and smooth. Fully charging the battery takes only an hour and a half. According to information from the manufacturer, the engine is reliable, protected from overload, short circuit and overheating from prolonged operation. The surface of body is scratch resistant and easy to clean. Fenix S Pro has 6 adjustable strokes from short to hybrid. This design offers a wide range of options, allowing tattoo and permanent makeup artists to adjust the strokes according to different styles, skins and needs, and to achieve more precise and various results. You just twist the ring on the body and the arrow must coincide with the number. The needle stroke change ring turns very easily. The short stroke, for example 2.8, 2.2, is well for lipstick technique, cover up and more decorative effects. The hybrid, for example 3.5, is great for mini tattoo and air powder brows, watercolor technique, and I more like is hybrid equipment for powder on the eyelids. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip without locking clicks. This pen has some needle strokes, so the needle protrusion will be different. For example, for stroke of 2.8 mm, I use a needle protrusion of up to 2.5 mm. For stroke of 3.5 mm, I will use a needle protrusion of up to 3.2 mm. Grip diameter is 24 mm. millimeters. We must sterilize the grip. This can be a disinfectant, autoclave, and possibly a high temperature sterilizer box, but you have to check with the manufacturer. Can you use a high temperature sterilizer box for their equipment? Fenix S Pro compatibles with many cartridges and power supplies from famous companies if you decide to work with an RCA connector, but I recommend for the premium tattoo machines only the premium power supplies from 2 amperes, for example from the Defenderr company also. I'm turning on our pen. I'm choosing operating voltage 5. I'm having the needle stroke 2.8 millimeters. There is no vibration or annoying noise. Let's choose the needle stroke 3.5. And let's go. The first test is powder eyebrows. I really like the drawing and the small pixels. The machine powders beautifully and confidently. It was really great working with it. Depending on the selected needle stroke and even the selected model, the noise and vibration will be slightly lower or slightly higher. Second is hair stroke technique. My working voltage up to 6.5. The vibration is really small and comfortable for this technique. And third test is a little flower. I'm increasing my working voltage more up to 7.5. Fenix S Pro working great with tattoos, stable line, no kickback to the hand at high voltage. This is definitely my new favorite. Let's sum up our video review, guys. Fenix S Pro is powerful and wireless tattoo pen from Defenderr company. The form factor and dimensions are very convenient. Excellent ratio of the weight, length and narrow grip. No windows. Work is very comfortably. Price is about $300. Easy control and memory mode for operating voltage for quick switching if necessary. The tattoo machine has jumpstart functions and SMP mode for the trigger pigmentation work on the scalp. The pen has 6 adjustable strokes from short to the middle, the needle strokes. Artists can work with different skin and techniques. It does all kind of work: slips and arrows, powder pros and hair stroke technique, work with areola and scars, works with mini tattoo. Fenix S Pro is definitely an excellent device for beginners and practicing artists. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.